When news of China's White Emperor fighter jet emerged, military experts were stunned. Promoted as a sixth-generation aircraft with capabilities far beyond current stealth fighters, the White Emperor could redefine future combat. Unlike traditional warplanes focused solely on aerial dominance, this jet is designed for dual-environment combat, capable of operating in both the skies and near space. If true, this could mark the beginning of a new era where air and space warfare converge. Let's explore the jet's groundbreaking features, the technologies behind it, and its potential impact on global military power. A futuristic design that breaks radar locks. At first glance, the White Emperor looks like something straight out of a sci-fi blockbuster. Its sharp, angular frame and compact delta wings aren't just for show. They're meticulously designed to reduce radar cross-sections. This means the aircraft can slip past detection systems with frightening ease. The multi-section canopy is another marvel, deflecting not just radar waves but also shielding the pilot from infrared and laser-based tracking systems. This combination of stealth features makes the aircraft not only difficult to see but also difficult to target. Yet stealth alone doesn't define this fighter. Its aerodynamic body ensures it maintains agility and speed even when flying at supersonic levels. That agility is crucial for surviving modern dogfights, dodging enemy fire, and striking with pinpoint precision. Beyond the sky, dual environment capability. Here's where things get truly astonishing. Unlike fifth-generation fighters like the US, F-35 or China's own J-20, the White Emperor isn't confined to the atmosphere. Its developers claim it can transition seamlessly into near-space operations. While details of its propulsion system remain classified, experts suggest it combines hypersonic speed capability with high fuel efficiency. This dual performance means it could potentially handle both high-altitude aerial combat and missions at the edge of space, something no fighter in service today can achieve. This isn't just about outperforming rivals in the air. The ability to operate in near space opens the door to counter-satellite missions, space-based reconnaissance, and even futuristic weapons deployment. Essentially, the White Emperor could make low Earth orbit a contested battlefield. Weapons and avionics, brains meet firepower. Inside the jet, flexibility is king. Its expanded weapons bay allows it to carry heavier payloads than most stealth aircraft, without sacrificing stealth capabilities. That means precision bombs, long-range missiles, and potentially exotic weapons like directed energy systems could be fitted. The cockpit is equally advanced, boasting an AI-assisted avionics suite. Instead of relying solely on the pilot, the onboard systems analyze combat data in real time, highlighting threats and suggesting maneuvers. It's like having a digital co-pilot that never tires, processes information faster than any human, and helps the pilot make life-or-death decisions instantly. This human-machine collaboration reflects China's broader vision for hybrid autonomy, jets that are still piloted, but supported by AI systems powerful enough to change the dynamics of air combat, reconnaissance, and intelligence gathering. While the White Emperor is primarily a combat aircraft, its stealth and sensor suite also make it an invaluable reconnaissance tool. It could infiltrate enemy airspace undetected, map defenses, and feed crucial intelligence back home. In conflicts where information is as important as firepower, this capability is a massive advantage. Part of a larger vision, the Non-Tianmen project. The White Emperor is not an isolated breakthrough, but rather a key component of the ambitious Non-Tianmen project, China's broader vision to merge air and space combat into a unified system. This program goes well beyond traditional fighter development, exploring futuristic concepts such as space carriers capable of launching aircraft from orbit, unmanned space fighters designed for autonomous missions, and next-generation reconnaissance satellites seamlessly integrated with manned aircraft operations. The underlying message is unmistakable. China no longer regards space as a passive, peaceful domain reserved for exploration, but as the next contested battlefield. In this grand strategy, the White Emperor represents only the beginning of a much larger shift in how Beijing envisions the future of warfare, challenging the global balance of power. China's bold leap forward forces other nations, particularly the United States, to rethink their military aviation strategies. Comparisons are already being drawn with America's next-generation air dominance program. But what makes China's approach unique is its ambition. Instead of simply catching up with Western powers, Beijing aims to leapfrog existing technologies. This is evident in the range of research initiatives pouring out of Chinese aerospace institutes, from quantum sensors to adaptive stealth materials. The 5 pillars of next-generation warfare. According to official Chinese defense documents, the White Emperor and its related projects are built on 5 groundbreaking pillars of next-generation warfare. The first is multi-domain fusion, which allows the aircraft to gather and integrate data from land, sea, air, and space simultaneously, giving pilots unparalleled situational awareness. The second is the development of adaptive engines, capable of adjusting thrust in real time to balance performance and efficiency under changing combat conditions. The third focuses on next-level stealth, using advanced materials that can alter their radar signatures like a chameleon, making detection by enemy systems far more difficult. The fourth pillar emphasizes AI collaboration, where human pilots work alongside intelligent systems that handle navigation, sensors, and even targeting to improve combat agility and decision-making. Finally, there is the pursuit of directed energy weapons, lightweight laser systems with the potential to disable or destroy enemy assets quickly and precisely, without relying on traditional munitions. Together, these 5 innovations represent a fundamental shift in fighter jet design and strategy, ushering in a vision of aerial and space warfare unlike anything seen before. Powering the beast, the WS-15 and beyond. At the heart of these capabilities are China's new generation engines. The WS-15 engine, already showcased at exhibitions, is a technical marvel. Built with single crystal turbine blades capable of withstanding temperatures hotter than lava, it generates over 30,000 pounds of thrust, comparable to the most powerful engines in the world. Even more promising are China's experiments with adaptive cycle engines, which can shift modes mid-flight. Imagine a jet that roars like a sports car when it needs speed, but sips fuel like a hybrid vehicle when cruising. Test data shows these engines cut fuel consumption by 15% while delivering more power, a revolutionary leap in efficiency. Add to this the use of ceramic matrix composites, which endure extreme heat far beyond the limits of conventional metals, and it's clear that China is not just building engines, it's reinventing them. The digital co-pilot. Perhaps the most headline-grabbing feature of the White Emperor is its AI integration. Far from being science fiction, these systems have already been tested in simulators and limited real-world trials. The AI manages routine tasks like monitoring systems, adjusting sensors, and even suggesting tactical maneuvers. It can fuse data from radar, infrared, and electronic warfare systems into a single, clear view of the battlefield, something no human can do in real time. State media has even shown footage of test pilots working with these AI systems, with safety protocols ensuring that control is instantly returned to the pilot if anything malfunctions. This blend of human intuition and machine processing could be the decisive factor in future dogfights. Infrastructure, factories of the future. Backing these technological leaps is China's massive investment in aerospace infrastructure. From hypersonic wind tunnels in Beijing to the world's largest titanium 3D printing facility in Shenyang, the scale of production is staggering. These facilities don't just test prototypes, they mass-produce advanced materials, engines, avionics, and stealth components. Automated robotics and AI-driven quality control systems ensure every part meets tolerances finer than a human hair. Such industrial power means China can not only innovate but also scale production rapidly, a critical factor in military readiness. And that wraps up our deep dive into China's groundbreaking White Emperor fighter jet. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, make sure to hit that like and don't forget to subscribe. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about the future of air and space combat? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.